Well, I wanted to add this as well to my videos, so it's a transfer between the two consoles that is happening now. And yeah, gotta do next. And I'm right-handed. Anyway, yeah, it says put them together next to each other and you can keep playing. Compatible Nintendo Switch software on the Nintendo Switch 2 console. And then, yeah, let's say, okay, what's happening? Make sure your Nintendo Switch 2 console is close by. Okay, let's see. Please keep this console on this screen. Right, I have some games on that one. Well, oh, give me a break. It's just connected console. AC adapter. So that other one has the AC adapter. So wait for this. So I go and get that. I forgot to press the play button instead of play. I just completely stopped my recording and it's a 2-section recording now. Sorry about this, fellas. But and being just not using my tripod because I was rushing it, just trying to connect and see how it goes. Oh, right. We are having something happening. This console, Switch 2, searching for it. Yeah, so that's connected, and that guy got that detected. Start receiving data. Going to start it. And there we go. Here it is. Transferring my old data to the new Nintendo Switch 2. I love the way that they have that on the top. It saves so much trouble. Look at that. I had to just remove it from standing mode. But now we have 2 USB-C ports on the Nintendo Switch 2. I love this song. Here we go. I don't want to... So I'll pause this, and this time I won't forget to play, to record the rest of it. So I'll pause it until it finishes. So we don't need to wait for this. I mean, you guys don't. I will need to. Well, I wanted to add this as well to my videos. So it's a transfer between the two consoles that is happening now. And yeah, gotta do next. And I'm right-handed. Anyway, yeah, it says put them together next to each other and you can keep playing. Compatible Nintendo Switch software on the Nintendo Switch 2 console. And then, yeah, let's say, okay, what's happening? Make sure your Nintendo Switch 2 console is close by. Okay, let's see. Please keep this console on this screen. Right, I have some games on that one. Well, oh, give me a break. It's just connected console. AC adapter. So that other one has the AC adapter. So wait for this. So I go and get that. Wait for it, and if you like, you will like it. I'm not asking you to like my videos. That's what it is. Calculating time remaining. Always the Nintendo, I really like their updates. They're so cool. They're so quick. Well, anyway, this is not the update. This is happening as a data transfer. So anyway, it's gonna be very long. Not very long. I'm not like a huge gamer. I don't have many games, but I've purchased over time some games anyway. So it's gonna take time. And I forgot last time that I paused it again, but this time it wasn't my fault. I wanted to try and see if my first video was uploaded. So we'll try and what is it? What is the English word for it? Join these videos together? Let me see. I hope I can have it in my phone like a cool software thing that can connect and merge videos. I don't know, man. Just wait for it. I hope that I can find it and fix it. So I'm gonna pause this time. I'm not gonna muck around this time. I'm waiting for these two guys to get the talking done. Oh, one thing. You can capture screenshot. It was saying something before this. It was saying the Joy-Con of the Nintendo Switch old one can be used if you're playing it wirelessly. Obviously, yes. So those Joy-Cons are not going to be compatible with this huge guy, but if you're having them detached and wirelessly connected via Bluetooth, of course, it will work. Yeah. You can still play Nintendo Switch games you've purchased. Of course, mate. Of course. Yeah. That's the one I was talking about. See? Yeah. So 8% done. I'm waiting to see what happens next. Well, a funny thing that happened was that in the meantime, I was waiting for that transfer to happen, unable to communicate with the other console. Close. Yeah, suddenly my reliable, sarcasm, reliable internet connection was just having a time. And oh my god, I have to do them all again. Look at that. Internet in Australia. Australia. Well, I think my landlord has bought a very bad internet from a very bad company. Next. Sign in with the QR code. Oh my god. Really? Seriously? Now I have to stop this video again. Very, very funny enough that the system transfer will restart. Okay. And okay. I hope you won't start over. Just continue from the place that you left. Yeah, so whatever. Internet is not reliable at all here. And I have to wait. Okay, they've detected each other again. Calculating the remaining time again. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys to see some more of the details. But don't use my QR code, hey? Yeah, 2% remaining. Well, this is it, and yeah, these guys are transferring the data between each other. Well, I hope that internet won't be disconnecting. Let me go and check the router. Hey. Okay, didn't disconnect and it's gone up to 15%. That's good. I checked my router, made sure that it's in a place that can transfer data better, because it was in a cupboard. Who puts a wireless router inside a cupboard? Man. Well, they're not all working in IT to know that. So calm down. Well, this time is going fast. 51%. Well, I know that you guys are going to be bored with my video, but whatever. Whoever likes to watch it, they'll watch it. This guy is transferring data to the other guy, so there we go. my old faithful Nintendo Switch. I bought different Joy-Cons for it, but they're all good. Ooh, 89%. Well, this is the perk of not being, playing games all the time, every day, 5 hours to 12 hours a day. So yeah, my games are not that big. Transferring. Oh my god. But I wish I had a game from original set for Nintendo Switch 2 to play and see how it feels. But whatever. I still have so many games in that other one, like The Legend of Zelda Tears of Kingdom is already in the software way, the digital purchase, so should be available soon. And the games, I think they are compatible, they were saying. Oh my god, it's too late here, man. And I'm so excited that I can't really go to bed. Whatever. Yo, the console restart. Short. La 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 la. Here we go. Okay. Oh, still on 97. I thought it's done. Sending, receiving, sending, receiving. 98%. Boom, boom. Boom. Whoa. I was going to drop this camera. Anyway, this is nice as well. If I stop smudging it, the feel of it is really cool. It's like more sort of, how can I say? Well, it's matte finish, but shiny metallic sort of. Okay, the data has been sent. Okay, this guy's done right now. That's done. Oh my god, this guy, look at them. Oh, Mario Wonder. Tears of Kingdom. Tears. Oh, that other guy says system transfer complete. Okay. All right, I'm just controlling it with this. So yeah, that. The same theme as the one you were using. Okay, it's gonna go to black dark thing. Relay. Setup complete. Press home. Woo! Nice. Da da da. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh well. It's. Oh my god. What? How? Okay. The Mario Wonder. Oh yes. So yes. I was just jumping. No way. It couldn't have transferred a physical game. So I have to take that out. Oh my god. There we go. And now there we go. How can I insert that game on? It's opening. Oh, it's like the other way around, so I need to zoom out. Sorry about that. And let me just show you. Okay, I need to just put it a bit higher, so when I'm using that, you see, it was like that, closed, and the grip part is there, and you can see that there is the game slot, and I can put my game in, and here we go. Here we go. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Now, let's get you guys down. Oh my god, this big screen is amazing. Ho ho ho. Okay. My god.
It's me.
That's nice. Oh, it's already beautiful. Oh my god, I love it. Alright, I'm gonna stop this, and you know what? I have to make a big video out of, I think, 4 videos, so I have to work on it.